In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document in DocuSign and send it to a recipient. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Start or Send an Envelope. This is where you begin the process of preparing a document for signatures. Next, upload the document you want to sign. This could be a PDF, contract, agreement, or another supported file type. After the document is uploaded, enter the recipient's name and email address, so DocuSign knows who the completed document should be sent to. Once that's done, select Next to open the document editor. This is the workspace where you'll place all the fields needed for signing and completing the document. In the editor, add a signature field to the document. Be sure to place it exactly where the signature is required. After adding the signature field, assign that field to yourself. This is important, because if the field is assigned to the wrong person, you won't be able to sign it during the next stage. You can also add any other fields you need to complete before sending the document, such as a date, initials, or text fields, depending on what the document requires. When everything is set up, select Next or continue to move into the signing process. In the signing view, select the signature field that was assigned to you. DocuSign will then prompt you to create or choose your signature. If you already have one saved, you can use it. If not, you can quickly create one by typing, drawing, or uploading your signature, depending on the available options. Once your signature is ready, place it in the required location, then complete any other fields assigned to you. Take your time here, so everything is filled in accurately. Before moving on, review the document carefully and verify that your signature appears in the correct spot. This final check helps prevent mistakes and ensures the document is ready to go. After reviewing, select Finish or continue to the sending screen. There, review the recipient and document details one more time to confirm everything looks correct. When you're ready, select Send to send the signed document to the recipient. Finally, verify that the document has been sent successfully. You should see a confirmation message or status update in DocuSign, which lets you know the process is complete. Thanks for watching.